मकसद क्या है कि जो कस्टमर आएगा उसका इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए है, उसको वो किधर किधर चीटिंग होता है, ओके, वेट पर होता है, बाद में उसका जो पैक करके आप जो पैक करके बेचता है उसको मिक्स करके बेचता है, उसके लिए ये करता है। समझ में आया आपका? और उसको पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन देने का, उसको बिल देने का, जीएसटी वाला बिल इसको देने का, जो भी उसको इन्फॉर्मेशन उसने मांगा आपके पास, तो पूरा इन्फॉर्मेशन उस लेवल पर रहना होता है। अगर आपके साइड से अगर कुछ गलत हो गया तो इधर QR कोड रखा हुआ है, वो स्कैन करके अपने को हमको भेज देगा, तो उसका आपका कंप्लीट रजिस्टर हो जाएगा। इसको किसी तरह से ढकने का नहीं। कोई भी कैब ऐसे जगह पे जब कस्टमर आएगा देखने को तो उसको दिखाना मिलता है, ओके। इसको अगर इसको कुछ आपने डैमेज कर दिया, कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन इससे हटा दिया तो आपके ऊपर कार्रवाई हो जाएगी। है समझ में? बस।
Our FDA team, we have continued with a special drive on cashew nuts that we have started along the coastal belt. And recently, in a function, the Honorable Health Minister had released this informative brochure, which is for the customers to understand while they are buying cashew nuts what are the things that they need to look out for. And we have certain instructions and certain things that they need to look out for. Also, if they find any issues, then they can reach out to us. So QR codes have been given. So it's an informative board. This board has been prepared in coordination with the Goa Forest Development Corporation, and we have started this drive to affix this board on each and every cashew shop in the state of Goa. And this has been started today in Kalangud area. Along the beach side, we have given this board. We have fixed this board. Our officers have gone and fixed this board on around 25 shops today. And this will continue in the next 2 or 3 weeks. We will ensure that this board is available in each and every shop in the state of Goa, so as to safeguard the rights of the consumers, to make them aware while they are purchasing cashew nuts what they need to look for and how they can avoid getting cheated.
सो आता तुम्ही बोर्ड लायता पळय तेंच्यांनी समोर बोर्ड काडीत जाल्यार तेजेर कितें कारवाई बी?
तांकां आमी इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स दिल्ले आसा की हो बोर्ड जर काडलो, हो कवर केलो जाल्यार ताका फायन आसतली. Under Section 69 of the Food Safety and Standards Act, any information that is given from the authorities side, they have to acknowledge it and keep it in the position that it is put. That is why our officers have personally gone and fixed this board in a prominent place, and if these boards are removed, then fines will be put on the vendors.
तुम्ही पळयता सागर वार्ता. आमकां फॉलो करात, सबस्क्रायब करात आनी स्टे अपडेटेड.